Welcome all. Today we are in this video we are going to see one example for parsing, right? Actually, in the last video we have seen how to construct this table as well as the algorithm to parse the given string. So now let us take an example and then see how this algorithm helps us in parsing the string. So let us take an example. It can be, suppose the string I should say w is equal to in this case id plus id, simple. So for this, given the constructed table, now suppose what you will do, you will have an stack, right? In this stack initially you will have dollar. Okay, in this string also you will have this string, and in the last you will have dollar symbol. So here algorithm you have seen that initially let a be the first symbol of w and x be the top of the stack. Okay, so what a is, in this case a is id, here we are reading, and what x is, top of the stack it is, for now it is dollar, right? But initially you will have your starting symbol, and a starting symbol is e, right? So with e you are going to start, so let us assume it is e. So now you will see, according to the algorithm, it says whether this x is equal to a. Actually no. Okay, if at all it would have been equal and they both are dollar, in that case we will say a string has been parsed successfully, right? For now, whether this x is equal to a and not equal to s, no, they are not equal. It is a non-terminal and that is a terminal. Okay, so x is a non-terminal, yes. Then see the entry mxa. Okay, see the entry mxa e id. Is there some entry like this? Yes, it is e and id. This entry e derives t e dash. In that case, what does it say next? If it is true, say if this entry is something like x derives something u v w, then replace x, means remove x, and put in the reverse order w v u. Okay, no issues. We will do the same. It is t e dash, we will remove e, and we will put e dash and then t. No issues. Okay, till now we have not moved further. We are still reading the same symbol here. A is id only. So id. Now again we are checking t is equal to id or not. No, it is not. Then we are seeing the combination of t and id. Is there something? Yes, it is something. We will replace t with f t dash, right? So let me remove t, and we will keep it like in reverse order t dash f, right? Okay, now f is equal to id. No. Then let us see here in table f id. Okay, replace f with id. Now this id is equal to id. Yes, id is equal to id. In that case, what you are going to do, you will say what are the conditions. If id something is equal to something and equal to dollar, no, it is not the case. Something is equal to something, x is equal to a but not equal to dollar. Yeah, this is the case. x is equal to a but not equal to dollar. In that case, pop the stack and increment the input pointer. Okay, let us pop the stack and increment the pointer. Okay, so here now it is a is equal to, it is plus symbol, right? And x is continuously changing, don't worry, for now it would be t plus, right? These two have been already removed, so it is t plus. Now this t dash is equal to plus, no it is not. In that case, what we are going to do, we will see here in the table the combination of t dash and plus. Is there something t dash and plus? Yeah, it is. T dash is removed, with epsilon, so t dash is removed. Now the top is e dash. E dash and plus, is there any combination? E dash and plus, yeah it is. What is it? E can be replaced by plus t e dash. Okay, so let me replace this e dash with what? In opposite direction, e dash e dash t and plus symbol. Now whether this plus is equal to plus, yes it is, and not equal to dollar, very good. So remove this symbol and increment the pointer. Pointer is id, t with id, is there any combination? T with id, it is this thing, ft dash. So you will replace this t with t dash, f with id, this combination you will replace f with id, right? Okay, let me change the color, t with id, and then this id is same as id. In that case, remove the id, increment the pointer, right? Incremented the pointer. Now still it is on the top we have t dash. Now t dash and dollar, is there any combination? T dash and dollar, yeah it is. Replace t dash. Okay, removed, popped. Okay, then what we are going to do next is e dash. E dash with dollar, yeah, remove. This all would have been e dash. Okay, so remove this e dash as well. Then what are the next? Anything at top? On the top we have dollar now, dollar, and at input pointer a is also dollar, right? So dollar is equal to dollar, and x is also dollar, a is also dollar, and this condition is true now, that x is equal to a is equal to dollar. In that case, we are saying that it has been successfully accepted. Okay, so now we can say that this is string, which was the actual input, it has been accepted. Okay, nothing else. So this was a simple example. Similarly, you can try other examples as well and then see whether it is working or not, and accordingly you will have to write programs to understand these things, whether it is working or not. Okay, so thank you.